Hello and welcome back to Wiki Universe. Another viewer request. How much are the door handle pulleys and how to install them? Okay, so this is how the door pulleys, the ones you use to close your door from the inside, look like. Two brand new ones ordered from Chrysler directly. And this is how the old one look on pretty much every Prowler out there. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of dark, but they're all broken in here, and that's how they get broken, because that's how they're made, I guess. Chrysler makes them, and you can see that one too. It's pretty ugly on a vehicle like that. These vehicles, they either have to be in perfect condition or you don't own it at all. Okay, so all you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so take your screwdriver, and there's like a little bolt in here. You can see it. I don't know if that's the original one or has been changed to another one, but it doesn't really matter. It's only one bolt, and then you just unscrew it, and you just pull gently the old. Okay, and this is how it looks. These are the two tiny little things that actually holds it down. Two on this side and two on the other side. That's how it looks, and that's how you take it out. There's only one bolt in the middle, and that's it. Another thing to mention, both of them are the same. There's no left and right bolt. Both of them are the same, holding together by one little screw bolt, and so you don't have to worry about left and right. And I forgot to tell you the price on these from Chrysler directly. It should be no more than $40. It ranges anywhere between 30 maybe to 60, 70 bucks. Of course, it depends which Chrysler you get it from. They all have different prices, but that's pretty much what you should be paying. If it's anything more than that, then probably it's someone else selling it, or Chrysler's out of them, and there's no place for you to find them. That's why some people just buy them and then sell them for a higher price. Okay, and this is your new one, the same one, the two little things on both sides that's actually holding it. You push it in there, just gently push it down. See, nice and firm, it's not going anywhere. Then you just put your screw, take your screw out, put it in there, screw it in, and voila, looks brand new. Yeah, these are kind of important because they're kind of inside and kind of the face of the car from the inside. This is the first thing you see when you go in, when you close your door, and when you open them. So it's something that really pops in your eye and gets the value of the car really down if it's damaged or something. And these are one of the first thing that will go inside the Prowler, one of the first part that you're gonna have to change. So there you go, the price and how to put it. So you do the same thing on the other side and you're all set. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.